How to fix ChatGPT got too many requests, easy and quick. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just open your browser, click these 3 points here, go to settings, then go to privacy and security. Now click clear browsing data, and after that, if that doesn't fix your problem, wait first, just select cookies and other site data, and then click clear data, and now close your browser and open it. Close it and open it again and try again, and if that doesn't fix it, now just close it, open another browser like Microsoft Edge, and that's it. Now just try here and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.